Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss a problem regarding multiplexer. So, आज I have already discussed some numericals in the class, and that numerical based on the implement any of the Boolean function using appropriate multiplexer. But now today I am going to discuss about the implementation of the Boolean function using a specific multiplexer. So, in this numerical, I have taken a specific multiplexer. Here I have taken a 4 cross 1. Similarly, you can get also a question of 2 cross 1 multiplexer or question also you can get. So the question is given like this. Implement the following Boolean function using 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So f1 is a function of ABCD and the SOP is given as 0, 1, 5, 7, 8, 13 and 14. So as from the question it is very clear that so this is a 4 variable. So this is the 4 variable are there, and they are saying that as it is 4 variable, so in the SOP we can get maximum 16 mean terms. So this is the mean terms they have given. So this is basically SOP. Okay, so they told that implement using 4 cross 1 mocks. So if we are going to implement the Boolean function using 4 cross 1 multiplexer, so in 4 cross 1 multiplexer we know that we have two number of selection lines like S1 and S0 and one output Y. So let me write down the table for the 4 cross 1 mocks table, truth table. This is the 4 cross 1 mocks truth table. I wrote like S1, S0 in the two selection lines. Y is the output. If S1 and S0 will be 0, 0, I'm getting output I0. If S1 and S0 is 0, 1, I'm getting output I1. If it is 1 and 0, I'm getting output I2. If it is 1 and 1, I'm getting output I3. So this is the truth table for the 4 cross 1 multiplexer. Now we need to remember this table and we need to go to the solve this numerical. This question they have given, they have four variables A, B, C, D. So if I have four variables, so I can make a, so I'll get 16 possible combinations. You can see here. So I have taken A, B, C, and D. I have taken four variables. So I got 16 possible combinations. I wrote 8 zeros, 8 1, then 4041, 4041. Then here also same 2021, 20. So I basically I wrote from M0 to M15. So these are the mean terms and basically I want to write down. So 16 possible combinations I wrote. 16 possible combinations I wrote here. Okay. So and output is given. What the output is given? The output will be 1 when this SOP are 0, 1, 5, 7, 8, 13 and 14. So first I wrote the table A, B, C, D. I wrote the possible combinations. Then I wrote here this is M0, here M1, here M5, here M7, M8, then here M13 and M14. I think 0, 1, 5, 7, 0, 1, 5, 7, 8, 13, 14. These are the SOP. I got the output equal to 1 and all other terms I got output 0. So now once I made the table, next I will go to the table. Once I made this truth table, then I need to go to the mocks truth table. So you can see with the mocks truth table, we have four different combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So if you see carefully, if I make a pair like this, so in ABCD, these are the four variables. So I decided you can choose CD also, but I am deciding A and B are the selection line. Out of four variables, I will choose A and B as the selection line. So A is S1, B is S0. Okay, and C, D are the input variables. C, D are the input variables. Okay, so I choose A and B are the, remember, selection lines. So if I will pair like this, four in a group, so I will take AB 0, 0, 0, 0. So I will get this pair and this 0, 0 pair resemblance with the 4 cross 1 multiplexer first pair. So I will take this is as the basically as the 0, 0. This is the combination 0, 0. Similarly, I can make a pair of group. I can make a group like this. So it will be the pair of 0, 1. Similarly, I can make a group of 4. This is the pair 1, 0. Similarly, I can get 1, 1. So once I make these groups, then I will put a horizontal lines like this. I made separated the horizontal lines like this. Okay. So once I made it, so now you can see here A and B is used as a selection line. A and B as used as a selection line. Then C and D is the input variable as I wrote here. C and D is the input variable. Y is the output. Now I need to write down this input output relationship version Y and CD. So you can see here CD is the two variables and I'm getting output one. So to get the relationship, I need to take the two variable K map. So this is the two variable K map where I've taken C and D as the two inputs. So I'll see here for 0 0 I'm getting output 1. So I wrote here for 0 0 I'm getting output 1. For 0 1 also I'm getting output 1. I wrote like this here. For 1 0 and 1 1, so both output will be 0 0 here. So I'm not writing, basically I'm not writing this thing. 1 minute, okay. So once I make the K map, then I'll go for pairing. So by pairing, I got Y equal to C bar. So you can see this input pair 0 0, basically I'm getting output Y equal to I0. Okay, so we'll go to the next group of four. So by taking again C and D are the two input variables, and Y is the output. If I'm taking this table and I make the K map, so you can see here for 0 1 I'm getting 1 here. So for 0 1 I'm getting 1 here. For 1 1 I'm getting 1 here. Okay, so I write 1 1 there and then go for pairing. I got Y equal to I1, Y equal to D, or what? So D is nothing but the represents I1. Similarly, I make the K map for this group also. I can make the K map for this group of four. So I got Y equal to. So only here 0 0 I'm getting output 1. So I got Y equal to C bar D bar, which is nothing but I2. Similarly, if I make the K map for this one, this group of four, I'll get here Y equal to C XOR D. That is nothing but I3. Okay. So remember, I have taken four variables A, B, C, D. So out of which A and B is used as the selection variable and C and D is the input variable. So now I got the relationship Y equal to I0 equal to C bar, I1 equal to D, I2 equal to C bar D bar, and I3 equal to C XOR D, where I1, I2, I0, I3 are the input of the 4 cross mux. So I have taken a 4 cross mux here. So you can see here A and B. I have taken the selection line, which is nothing but S1 and S0. I have four inputs I0, I1, I2, I3. So I0 I got C bar, I1 I have taken D, I2 I got C bar D bar, I3 equal to C XOR D. I have taken the output equal to Y. So in this way I can make any Boolean function into 4 cross 1 mux. Similarly, in the upcoming problem, I can solve the same numerical using 2 cross 1 mux. I hope you can understand this question, understand the solution. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section.